In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Samsung hotspot not being visible and not turning on. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really frustrating if you're trying to use your hotspot on your Samsung device, but it's not working or it's grayed out. So I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. On the top right, swipe down on your screen. On the top right again, you're going to see the settings wheel icon, so just go ahead and click on that. Then from here, you're going to be in your settings, so you just want to go over to connections, which is the very first option anyway. Then you're going to see a lot more options over here. What you want to do is go to mobile hotspot and tethering. Now, as you can see, mobile hotspot is turned off. Basically means if you want to, use your hotspot, you're going to need this enabled. So first thing you want to do is make sure you go ahead and enable this. It's going to look like that. It's going to be to the right hand side once it's enabled. So that's the first thing you got to do. But if that's not turning on, what you got to do is go to data usage, and then from data usage, all you want to do is make sure that the data saver mode is not on. And then if the data saver mode is on, then just turn it off and then go back to mobile hotspot and tethering, and then turn mobile hotspot on again, and then you should be able to share any of your data with anyone else around you. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.